Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here with another free copywriting training. Today I'm gonna show you how to inject emotions into your copy. If you have ever heard any marketer, any people say like, yes, you need to sell with emotions. Emotions are the things that sell the most, but you think like, okay, that's good, sounds good, I think it works, I truly believe it, but how do I do it, right? How do I sell with emotions exactly? So today I'm gonna show you exactly how to sell people with emotions. Quickly I'm gonna tell you like, yes, people buy from emotions. If not, no one would ever buy an iPhone because it's not the best phone and it's the most expensive one, but it's the prettiest one, right? It's the one that makes you feel elite, that makes you feel like a good design, that it's friendly, that it's something easy to use, right? So those are emotions, but how to do it? So I'm gonna show you a real example. So basically my theory is that you need first to put all the emotional journey. You need to write first the emotional journey, because just like a movie, this is like a roller coaster, right? You need to get people excited, fearful, happy, off limit. You need to go through all those emotions. Have you ever seen those movies where you feel like happy at one moment, then sad, then this, then this, then this, because it's entertained. And the main purpose of copy is persuading people and get people's attention. You don't want them to lose away and scroll down, because that equals not having the sale. So we need to avoid getting people bored, and the main thing to do this is use emotions. And first, you need, some people like me in the past, we try to like, okay, I'm gonna put some emotions to my copy, but I do the copy first and then I try to put some power words, right, to arise some emotions. But it doesn't work quite well. The best thing you can do is to first map out the emotional journey you want people to go through, and then you can do the copy. So I'm gonna show you exactly how. Do you remember all the power words that I've been teaching about in the past 7 and 8 videos? Okay, those ones are in categories about excitement, off limit, fear, trust, greed, lust, and anger. So firstly, you already know why power words work and how they raise emotions. Now you need to have your audience. So today I made this audience called Anna. She is like from 18 to 25 years old. Her pains are that shirts usually don't fit her shoulders. She has like thin shoulders, so usually shirts don't fit for her. That's one of her pains. So you need to make your avatar of your audience, right? This is pretty basic. Another pain she has is that she needs some clothes to use on Sundays. She can't find any clothes that it's good to wear on Sundays for her, right? So you already know some pain. She can't find a brand, a clothing brand that it's good, but it's also not so expensive. And the last pain she has is that she feels guilty about having so much clothes with the environment, because she saw an Instagram video about how clothing affected global warming, right? So it's the main pains that you have already discovered by stalking her, right? By stalking all that audience, all that market, and seeing their main pains. So now you also look for the pleasures, right? Because you need to acknowledge the pains and then give your audience what they want. So you know that the pleasure that she wants is that she loves bright colors. It's something that she loves, because you have seen in a lot of posts, a lot of groups and forums about people like Anna with the same interest, that they love bright colors. The next thing is that you know that she loves feeling unique. That's a feeling that she's craving, that she's looking for. And she likes getting compliments, and she wants a guilt-free brand of clothing. We know all this, and also we know her values, right? She loves significance. She loves to feel unique, right? Like she's something different. She also loves having fun. She loves uncertainty. She doesn't like boring stuff. She likes stuff that it's constantly changing, that she doesn't know what's happening, right? And also she loves to contribute to the world, help the world. So now we have the picture of Anna, right? We know her pains, we know her pleasures, and we know what she values. Now we can map out the emotional journey. So first, if I'm thinking of an audience that it's really young, just like Anna, from 18 to 25-year-olds, first you need to get them excited, right? So today I'm gonna show you this really cool formula that's called AIDA, right? You have seen it in the past probably, but it's really easy. Basically just writing first, taking attention, interest, desire, and then action, right? The call to action. So to get Anna's attention, what you need is some excitement words, right? Some words to excite her, to get her in the mood, right? To get her attention, right? Excite her a little bit. So you're gonna go to all the power words list that it's in the link below. There's a free PDF. You don't have to put your email or anything. It's just a free PDF where you have all the power words you need with all the categories. You choose the ones that fit the most to Anna. You need to think like, okay, I'm Anna, what would be the words that she likes? Or go and do your research, right? Go to Facebook groups that Anna likes and see the words. You can even test them out, actually. You can put a post and say a lot of words like unique and jaw-dropping and see how they react. That's a really good technique, free. Okay, let's say you picked unique and jaw-dropping because you already know that Anna loves to feel unique and significant. Okay, so you choose these ones, and also you can use some lost words. It feels pretty good for Anna, right? And you pick the word love, the power word love, and hottest, right? Like the hottest trend out there, because you know that she's young and she wants to be in the hottest trend out there, right? And you already know that this fits to her pleasures, pains, and values, okay? I don't want to go too quick here, guys, but you pick first the power words that get her attention and that fit to the audience, in this case, Anna. Okay, now you have the attention. Now you need to make her interest, right? Now you have her attention. He's right there in your copy, seeing your post, seeing your advertising, seeing your email. Now you need to arouse some curiosity so she keeps reading. Why? Because you want her to think like, I want to spend the next 5-10 minutes of my life rather than seeing some cat videos. I want to read this, right? Because nowadays there's so much distraction. So get her interest. And one really good way to get interest is to use some off-limit words, right? In this case, I picked never seen before. This new clothing collection, never seen before. And she's gonna be like, oh, I'm curious about it, never seen before. And be the first. So she now feels special. She doesn't. So first she was excited. Now, and this is like a emotional roller coaster, emotional journey. Now she feels a lot of interest. Like, whoa, what is this? This is never seen before. I want to go up and see what's up, right? Now you need to take it away from her with some fear, right? It's nothing more powerful than taking something away from someone, especially when they already have it. If you see a child and you take their candy, right? Please don't do it. But if you see those movies where they take candy from children, it's nothing worse than giving someone something and then taking it away. So if you want to take her to this roller coaster, she's on the top, she has it, she's like so interested, like, yes, I want it, now take it away from her, right? And take her here down. So you put this is only for members only. This is a private collection. You're not gonna be able to access it. So she now feels confused, like, what? I already want this, I want it, I wanna pay, I wanna build this emotion, right? And now this is where you put the call to action. So you got her attention with words like unique and jaw-dropping, hottest, and love. Now you build some interest, like, hey, this is something never seen before. And then you build the desire, right? The part like, I want this right now. Members only, private collection. And now you put your call to action, your action you want her to take. Become a member now. You put your call to action, become a member right now, click here to become a member. And then at the end, after you have put the call to action, you need to build some trust. Why would I want to put my information or my money here? Remember guys, you can always use trust. It doesn't matter if it's a post, an email, a landing page, a sales page, anything. Build some trust first. More so if she doesn't know your brand. So at the end you can put happiness guaranteed. So you build some trust, right? Like, your happiness is gonna be guaranteed, and happiness is a word that really resonates to Anna, right? I know that Anna loves that word. And then you can put lifetime access. I love this one really much because lifetime feels like, okay, I'm not gonna lose it anymore. Like, okay, there was like a journey, like an emotional roller coaster, but now I'm certain. You need to give certainty at the end, always. You can get them through all the emotional journey that you want, make them feel happy, make them feel sad, like they don't have any more lust, anger, greed, anything. But then you need to give some trust and some certainty, so they are not like, what is this? Like, this is spamming me out, right? Spammers, that's what they do. When someone is spamming you, a company or something, they get you so uncertain and then they don't give you the answer. So you need to take her to all the journey and then give her the answer. So I hope you understand guys. It's kind of weird, but I'm gonna keep explaining in the next videos for free for you guys. Please access the power words list down below in the link. If you want to do this, you can send me some examples, put some comments. I always reply to comments. I'm just here to help you guys and to actually like give you an answer, right, on how to sell with emotions easily, because it's not hard. I'm not one of those people that feel like because it was hard for me it needs to be hard for you. Because I've read so much books, you need to read so much books to know it, right? Like, you need to suffer. I'm not like that. I'm just trying to make it as easy as possible so people can get results and see that it doesn't have to be hard. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more of these free trainings in the video, subscribe down below. If you want to take it to the next level, there's a crucial copy skill ebook down below. If you can help me out, that would help me out a much, and help you out more, even more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.